In this tutorial, you'll learn how to display specific roles separately on your Discord server sidebar. First, click the Add a Server button if you want to create a new space. Otherwise, click your server's name at the top left to open options for managing your existing server. Next, select Server Settings from the dropdown, then open the Roles section in the left sidebar to manage role visibility and permissions. If you want to adjust default member permissions, open the Default Permissions card at the top of the Roles page. Now, return to the Roles tab and open the Actions menu beside the role you want to edit. Select the @Everyone role to review settings, or make sure you've chosen the role you plan to display separately. Go back and update the role name if needed, so it's clear for your server members. To show role members separately, turn on the toggle labeled Display Role Members Separately from Online Members, and then click Save Changes at the bottom to apply this setting. Finally, close the role editor and use the Show Member List button in the channel header if you need to view the updated sidebar. Your Discord roles now appear separately in the sidebar. Great job setting it up.